welcome back. So I have finished washing this wig from Asteria hair, and I think this is the first time I work with this company. I have seen other people work with this brand before. So I was watching some reviews on this wig and I saw that, I forgot her name, but she did a closure wig and it looked very natural. So I wanted to get a curly wig with a closure because you don't have to worry about the whole hairline. It's just that area. I think this is a 6x6. I've never had a 6x6 closure wig. And on a daily basis, like even with my body wave closure wigs, they're so easy to pop on because it's just that small area you have to worry about. So I have washed her and she has been air drying for several days now, probably like 3 days. It's funny because the knots on this wig were very apparent. So I did have to bleach the knots. And so I started bleaching the knots and I left it on there way longer than I normally do, probably like 30 to 45 minutes. And then it hit me and then I ran and washed it out. But it's not like ruined or anything. The knots are a little bit orange, but it's not anything I'm gonna be mad about. So the last time I tried this on, the cap of it did feel small, and I always go with medium cap, so I'm not really sure if you can get a larger cap if you need it to. But I'm gonna try it on with my lace wig grip today and see what that is like. Now, as you guys can see, this lace is light, like really light. So I'm gonna have to darken this lace because it's just way too light. But I am excited because this is a beautiful texture and it's super long. I'm gonna get the lace situated and then we'll worry about how the curls are gonna look. So you guys see that I'm actually gonna have to get my lace tint because that is so light. I'm gonna go and get that. Okay, so I have the old style of the lace tint. Nowadays they have upgraded and they have like a wider range of colors and stuff. But I'm gonna be using light brown. And the last time I checked, I paid $15 for this bottle. And I'm just taking it and shaking it up and just spraying it on the lace. It looks a little bit better, but I think I'm gonna do one more coat. I could probably do another coat, but I'm just gonna go with that and use powder after everything. So I know I'm gonna wear it as a side part, so go ahead and don't you know it's true? I've got your Okay, I've taken my scarf off and my like baby hair that I have right here is set. So I did over bleach my knots. So I'm going to put a little bit of matte black eyeshadow on those areas just to close it up a bit. And then I'll put a little bit of powder in my part. Just closing up the sides, and you can do this with synthetic or human hair. You can always re-bleach your knot or your roots and everything, but I'm not doing that. This is just an easy fix. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder on my lace, and this is powder that matches my complexion. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have applied it and everything. I'm going to keep this short and sweet because my battery is dying on my camera. So as far as shedding goes, I did tweeze the hairline. So the only shedding I've gotten is from that, and no tangling yet, but this is like the first day I'm wearing it. I really love this length. I'll like have all the specs about this wig in the description box for you guys, but it is, I'm 6 feet tall and this is long. It looks like it's about 20 inches, but you know, curly hair, this could be like 24 inches actually, because curly hair shrinks. So this is what it looks like in the back. These curls are so beautiful and fluffy. I use what I always use with my curly wigs and stuff. I just use the Bella Curls co-wash and conditioner, and that's all that I did. The biggest con I have about this wig is the lace color is super light. I don't think I've had a human hair wig with lace this light. It's not like a light brown, it's pretty white. It reminds me of like the lace on What Lace Collection wigs from Sensational, but this is a human hair wig. So the lace did take me a while to get together. I feel like I don't know exactly how I feel about the lace and everything when I go outside and everything like that. I've taken pictures outside, but not like running errands and stuff like that. So this is my first time having a pre-made curly closure wig. I don't think I've ever tried a 6x6. I believe this is 6x6, and it's pretty convenient. You don't have to worry about ear tabs. I tucked mine under and just brought out my edges right here, but it's gonna be kind of straight because you have like the wig right there. You can just bring out some of your edges and gel those down as well, or not tuck it behind your ear, because I had mine kind of tucked behind my ear. You don't have to do that. Overall, I think this is very beautiful, and this kind of hair is perfect for summer, you know, vacation and stuff, but I'm going to be wearing this in the fall because this is pretty full as well and very long. So this is why I prefer human hair curly wigs over synthetic. Even the Sensational Alani one I just reviewed and I really liked it. No, except for Pop Blossom, with the exception of Pop Blossom, all of the curly wigs that I really like are going to be human hair. That's just how it is. I've tried so many over the years. And it's only a few that I like that are synthetic, but most curly wigs that I do like are going to be human hair wigs, and this is a part of that. I think this is very beautiful. It feels very soft and healthy. I have any coupon codes, they will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.